Odds are, I know, these last few episodes, it been up and down. Some episodes off the chain, and some is like, eh. But you came onto the right channel, and we're about to give you the honest truth about this episode. If you're new, I'm Scrap1240. We here today with more Chainsaw Man. We at episode 6. So let's just get into the episode. So we still at the 8th floor. That's what happened in the previous episode. They kept going, you know, up the stairs or down the stairs, and they end up being the same floor.
小紅ちゃん、ダブルピースでじっとしてて。ありゃりゃ。
Oh shit. Right. Why is the room on the other side of the window? Something's not right. Oh, they trapped in the 8th floor? Nah, it can't be. It cannot be. Hell no. They gotta figure it out somehow, some way. You feel me?
状況を確認する。おそらく悪魔の仕業で、部屋や窓からは外に出られない。天井を登ってみたが、上も8階だった。
Oh, so they really stuck. So they try everything.
閉じ込める力を使ったまま死んだんだ。
ルヌが殺せと言ったんじゃ。
言ってね。全く反応がなくなりました。
さっきの悪魔をおとりにまんまとはめられたってわけか。
Yep.
こんなトリッキーなことしてくる悪魔。
That was just a bait, and now they trap you guys there.
そのデビルハンターが私たちみたいにはめられないことを祈るしかないね。
But why is she so scared?
全員ここで死ん
You're not gonna die there. Come on.
ペコペコで死んじゃうんだ。
You're not gonna starve either.
デビルハンターやって兄を大学に行かせたいんだろ。
半分無理やりなんです。親が優秀な兄だけは大学に行かせたいからって。
Oh wow, she was forced to join them.
部族かデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです。
Wow, that's toxic.
私も大学に行きたかったんです。
You're not going to die. Relax. Power's laughing.
小紅ちゃん。でも怖いです。
Power's over there dying of laughter.
部屋の時計。さっきから8時18分です。どの部屋の時計も8時18分で止まった。
Oh shit, 8:18 to be exact in every room.
悪魔の力で時間が止まっている可能性があります。助けは来ないかもしれません。
Oh, so no way is coming.
すげえ。じゃあ寝放題じゃねえか。
He's over there talking about he's gonna sleep all he wants. How stupid are you?
そうなるかもしれねえし、ならねえかもしれねえだろ。こんないいベッドがあんだ。寝なきゃ損だね。俺は悪魔に感謝して眠るぜ。
He's like, wake me up when y'all figure it out. I'm gonna go to sleep. This bed is too comfortable. And he really passed out.
ネット。
Right.
デンジ君。デンジ君、そろそろ起きて。
How long he slept?
8階から出られるようになったんすか。
残念ながらまだ無理っぽい。ベニちゃんはおかしくなってトイレの水を飲もうとしたから気絶させた。
So she knocked her out?
その後はノーベル賞を踏み台にわしは総理大臣になる。手始めに消費税は 100% じゃ。
So it's still 8:18. They all losing their mind right now.
ああ、最後のタバコ。依存できるもんがあるといいよね。
Something gotta happen, man. Not really much is happening in this episode. We still stuck in the 8th floor. We still haven't figured it out. The time has stopped. So pretty much they just trapped there, you know? But $1,000,000 question is Denji gonna pull the cord and become the Chainsaw Man at the end of the episode? I hope so.
姫野先輩、タバコ残ってます。
残念。これ最後の一本。
悪いニュースがある。
So, oh, he got bad news.
殺した悪魔がいたろ。
わしが殺したやつじゃな。
He's still alive. Oh, shit.
確かにわしが殺したはずじゃ。ホテルから出られない。
人間たちよ。愚かな人間たちよ。
What are you gonna offer us?
契約だと。
そこのデンジという人間を私に食わせよ。そうしたら他のデビルハンタ
Nah, they're not gonna give him up. Pull the cord! Wait. You better not even think about doing that, buddy.
Denji, 食わせろ。
She said, let me eat you. Come on, hey, you gonna punch her right in her face. Oh. She really tried it.
アキ君、キツネで飲み込めば終わるんじゃない？
コン
Cool. Nope, that don't work here.
来ませんね。ここは外と断絶されてるんだ。
キツネの体は京都にあるからね。
Come on, pull the cord!
でやるか。
Damn! That's not even his main body.
どうせ俺を殺しても外には出さねえくせによ。
それはないよ。契約ってあの悪魔は言ったでしょ。悪魔が使う契約って言葉には強い力があるの。
Oh, so the devil do have their word on the contract. Okay, so they don't break it.
姫野先輩、そいつは殺すべきです。
There goes the other one that's gonna try to kill him.
このままじゃみんなホテルで餓死ですよ。デビルハンターが。
How you gonna join a team and they quick to turn on you, bro? Denji, knock his ass out!
わしは殺す派じゃ。ノーベル賞を思いついてもノーベルのために死んどくれ。
とにかくデンジは殺さない。俺たちはデビル。
Right.
殺すのは悪魔だけだ。
Facts.
暇だから押し相撲するか。
すぐ俺を殺そうとするからやだ。
He's like, let's wrestle. He's like, hell no, you just trying to kill me. So what's going to happen? Why he has to pull the plug yet, though?
その魔人の力で8階から出られないんだ。
落ち着けゴメリちゃん。こいつは血の魔人で。
魔人をかばうの。私たちデビルハンターなの。
What's wrong with her? Didn't you got knocked out? You want to get knocked out again?
絶対スパイだー。姫。
先輩。
Oh, yes! Finally! Long ass 15 minutes! I think the more they're scared they are, the bigger it grows. So if they don't be fear and they be calm, I think it don't grow at all. That's what I'm thinking. Nah, you're not gonna kill the chainsaw man. Hell no. The music is on. We're about to pull the plug. Uh-oh. Denji, huh?
刀を使う。
いいですよね、姫野先輩。
Oh, shit.
何してんだ。
その刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど。
What is she doing?
だからごめんね、デンジ君。
Oh, shit. They're gonna turn him in. Oh! He saved them! And y'all know he don't like him.
確かにそいつは刺されても仕方のない胸くその悪い。
He just feels saying he's a piece of shit, but he wants to kill the gun devil. And he can't kill it by himself.
殺すには立ち向かう気概の
And he knows he got the guts to fight it.
お前血の魔人なんだろ。こいつの血止められるか。
ちょんまげが死んだら飯を作る人間がいなくなるからな。
She's trying to make a deal.
どうしよう。どうしよう。
Y'all turn on them.
私のせいじゃない。あなたのせいだから。
Yo, slap her.
完結したのに。
ああ、はいはい。じゃあ食われて。
Yes, it's snack time, Dad. The chainsaw's gonna come out. Right, you're not going out without a fight, right?
クマをぶっ殺すようなことがあったら。チュー、まだ忘れてねえか
I
らな。
still expect to get that kiss.
チェーンソー。
あの悪魔、なんだか知らねえが、俺のチェーン。
It's scared of my chainsaw. Yep. They scared of you. So come on, pull that shit already.
それにあの悪魔、攻撃を受けた時に痛いって言ってやがった。だったらよ、あいつが死にたくなるまで痛めつけて自殺させりゃいい。
Come on!
外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
Yes! Let's go! About time, baby! Show what you about. Do not end! Do not end! Fuck! I called it. I said, watch him pull the plug, and then the episode's going to end. I fucking called it. But going back just a few minutes, I did not expect him to save Denji like that. Called him a piece of shit, you know, and everything. He never liked him, but he need that type of person to go kill the gun devil. But that was a twist right there. I didn't expect that from him at all. But what the fuck, man? Now, what happens if he does kill this devil? You know, how can you trust a team when the team is willing to turn on you like that? Me, after this, I'm done. Give me my kiss. And then the fact that he said, if I kill this devil, you still owe me my kiss. That's all he wants, you know? He making deals and he's going to do it. But I'm kind of upset about this episode, man. It's already 2 episodes that it dragged and not really much is happening right now. But when the next episode comes out, I believe that's when the episode is gonna pick back up because he already pulled the plug. We shouldn't be seeing no more flashback moments. The only flashback moment I want to see is him whipping that devil's ass and they showing us what happened when he survived after he got the kiss. You feel me? But all right, y'all, thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this reaction video, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe now. Later.